How to add initial in Adobe Acrobat? Okay, so you need to add the initial to a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat. It's super simple process. Let's walk through it together. First things first, open the PDF where you want to add an initial in Adobe Acrobat. I'm already inside the document. Now what you have to do is you can see a sign button on your left menus, which is over here. Simply tap on this button. That will provide you two options over there. The first one is add signature, where I have added a signature earlier, and second one is add initial. Simply tap on add initial over here, and that will open up this type of interface for you, where you can either type, drop, or also import images from your file explorer. For now, I'm keeping it this one. You can also change the styles from the button over here. Once done, simply tap on apply, which is over here. And now you can see initial in my cursor over here. Now simply find the place where you want to add this initial. For example, I want to add just below the first day of a session. Tap on it, and it's done. And that's it. You have successfully added your initial into a PDF using the Adobe Acrobat. After you have done the changes, remember to save the document. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.